Have you ever thought about making $375 from GIFs? Yes, the same GIFs you send to your friends. Did you know people make more money from the same GIFs? While most people use GIFs for entertainment purposes, some others see it as a way of getting their livelihood. How do they make money? Today, we will be talking about how you can make money by just downloading GIFs. Welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest business world news for you to keep up to date with. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more insightful and amazing content. So make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest videos. And so, without further ado, let's start today's video. Have you been Googling like a maniac and looking for answers to questions like how to get paid for GIFs? Do you make money making GIFs? How do people make money off GIFs? Can you get paid for GIFs? Well, look no further as this video will answer all these questions. So firstly, what exactly are GIFs? For users of Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media messaging sites, GIF mini clips are everywhere and are increasingly used as a type of expression. For instance, instead of using the internet slang LOL, a user can easily attach a GIF video clip of someone laughing non-stop. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format, a highly popular bitmap picture format introduced by CompuServe back in 1987. Now, a famous company named Giphy is taking GIFs to its wider audience with its massive searchable database that attracts tens of billions of people every month. As GIFs have grown more popular among social media users and advertisers, Giphy is on the edge of becoming the next content media king. The use of GIFs in the social media expression piggyback on the popularity of emojis that are used to express the feelings a person might be having at the moment. Many of the GIFs that appear on social media are soundless and looped video clips of a character or scene from a television show or movie, which can be much more expressive and dynamic than a simple emoji. Today, Giphy has also grown on the content creation side of the business. For example, individuals and companies can now create their very own GIFs on the Giphy website, which provides artists with tools to create dazzling GIFs with animations or video footage. Many artist creations can be viewed on the website's art gallery. Maybe you have a GIF saved in your phone right now, which could potentially make you money. The internet has a lot of places where you can download GIF images from, but we happen to know a popular website and top source for the best and newest GIFs and animated stickers. You can make money just from promoting the download of animated GIFs, and it is called affiliate marketing. So what is it? Affiliate marketing is an amazing way to make money online. You can do it from anywhere, at any time of the day you choose. You just need your laptop as well as an internet connection. You don't need money to get started, and you don't need to have a lot of technical knowledge. It is an awesome way to earn money for all age groups, as it works for those who are new graduates of college who want to see the world, stay-at-home parents, and those who want or need to retire and make an income more efficiently from home. All you have to do is visit Giphy.com. You can go to their website and download any GIFs that catch your attention. We suggest selecting that which catches your attention because if the GIF's image could definitely capture your attention, the GIF's image will grab other people's attention. Just go there and download unique GIFs and download them to your phone or laptop device. Sure, you might think that this is already getting quite boring, but the next step is the step where you start making money. You are probably thinking, how can I be an affiliate to the downloaded GIFs? Or how does earning money from GIFs connect to being an affiliate? Well, that is a lot to do, so that is why we have suggested that you stick with us till the very end of this video so that you learn everything. Before joining the eClincher affiliate program, we need to tell you what eClincher does. eClincher is a social media management platform. They help handle the social media accounts of big or small brands that want to grow their business because most trustworthy clients spend their time on social media. eClincher creates this platform for the brands that need awareness to capture this client. Now that you know what eClincher is all about, let's talk about how you can join the affiliate program. So, who can join the eClincher Affiliates program? Well, eClincher wants these kinds of users to join their affiliate program. Suppose you are franchises and SMBs, marketing agencies, and influencers. Now, if you create unique content, have a large online following, your site has a quality design and gets high traffic such as bloggers. If you are none of these people, no need to worry. We will teach you how to get prominent people flooding your eClincher affiliate links. Therefore, you can join their affiliate program. Now, how to join the eClincher affiliate program now that you're here and want to learn how to join. We know you also want to ask how much you can make from just being an eClincher affiliate. And that is a good question to ask, because who wants to work in a place that pays little? eClincher affiliates make between $50 to $100 or even more commission per each paid eClincher subscription. That is, a paying customer who has been referred to purchase a service from your affiliate links. Moreover, there are two ways to join the affiliate program. You are either invited to the platform or you apply in their application form. Now, we will walk you step by step on how you will join the platform's affiliate program. Then you will promote your eClincher affiliate link, which is also the final step to do. I thought you said earning money from this method is very easy, so how come I'm still going to promote my links? Yes, it would help if you promote your links before you could earn money. As we said, we'll teach you how to get plenty of people flooding your affiliate link quickly. Log on to Imgur.com. For those who don't know, Imgur is also an image sharing website and image hosting platform used for social gossip. You know, right? You guessed it. This is where the downloaded GIFs will be put to use. You will register for an account on the platform and then go to Imgur.com/upload to post new GIFs and the one you downloaded. At this point, we suggest that you be very creative with it, as what you will be doing here will evaluate how much money you will potentially make. Then, after uploading all the downloaded GIFs, you need to put a catchy title and description. This particular description should include your affiliate links. In the tag field also, we suggest that you use the trending keywords, or maybe names of your favorite celebrities or artists, so that people following those celebs can see your post. Finally, now, thousands of people will flock to your affiliate link. After that, you should see the flow of money in your eClincher account. So you see, GIFs can make you money if you make good use of them. The amount of money you will make from designing GIFs is quite dynamic. It depends on how the GIF you are designing was paid for. People have various ways of paying for GIFs. This way, they can pay our standard minimum amount or as much as they want. Whatever they pay for is what you will earn. Well, that is all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon in another video.